Ready to unlock the full potential of your Discord experience using that Apple gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? First, make sure you've actually redeemed your Apple gift card to your Apple ID balance. To do this, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From there, select Redeem Gift Card or code. Enter the code manually or use your camera to scan the gift card and follow the on-screen instructions to finish this up and ensure the money has been added to your Apple account balance. Now, open the Discord app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store. Navigate to the User Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Nitro. Here you'll see the options to purchase Nitro or Nitro Basic. Select the Nitro plan you'd like to purchase. Keep in mind the price and make sure you have enough balance in your Apple account. Tap on the option. An Apple Pay prompt will appear, confirming the purchase using your Apple ID balance. Confirm the payment. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Discord Nitro with your Apple gift card. Enjoy your enhanced Discord experience with custom emojis, server boosts, and larger file uploads. Now get out there and show off your new Nitro perks.